Here's how you can create a 3-video split screen video using the Inshot video editor app. Be sure to have the latest update and let's get started. If you're looking to achieve something like here where the 3 videos are separated and they're all playing at the same time, here is how we can go about doing this. Starting from the home screen page view, you'll start with the video here, and I'll start with new. For me, I'm going to go ahead to the materials section, and you are going to use the videos that you want to use to create this here. So I will start with a base video, and I'm going to start with this here. So I'll select my first video, and I'll have my very first video here now shown right there. So this video would be the main base video. And from here on now, I'll go ahead and add the second video that's going to be part of that split screen. And in order to do this, we are going to use the PIP tool. So you'll go to PIP here, and you'll go back and look for that video that you want to add. Look for the second video that you want to add. I'm going to go ahead and add this video here, or maybe one of these here. So let's just say I'll go ahead and use this one. And the video is going to appear like this here. So you want to make sure that video is going to appear in full screen. And to do that, tap on this icon right here, this one right there where my pen is pointing. That'll fill up the entire video frame for you. Now go ahead and add the third video that you want to add as your split screen. So go to PIP once again. You'll go to material here, and you'll look for that video that you want to have appear as the third video part of the split screen. So I'll select this one here, and we're going to do the same thing once again. I'll tap on this icon here. That's going to fill up the entire video frame. So now that we have our 3 videos, we have our 3 videos here, but we want to start to create that split screen effect. So I would always recommend starting with the middle one. The middle one would be this one here in the center. You'll tap on it, and you'll see these set of tools here still showing for you. You're gonna go to the mask section, and you'll select the first one, which is the line one. This usually starts to appear like this here, and you'll take your 2 fingers and rotate the green line here and just adjust it to how you want it. So if you want it to have like a sort of straight split or a slanted split, it's up to you. And then you're gonna pull it by the middle where that circle dot is. There's a little circle right here. Don't use the feather tool here, okay? You're gonna pull it by this here, this one right there. It gets kind of hard to grab sometimes, but you'll go ahead and pull that tool over. There you go. So you'll hold it down, and you'll create that sort of slanted effect. So now that's going to show this part of the other video and this part of this video here. You'll press the check mark here now, and now we're going to go over to the other video, which is the top one here. So this top one here will do the same thing. This time around, we'll go back to mask. We'll use the line again, and we are going to have this once again turn like this slanted. And I'm going to pull this green line here over like this here, having that sort of slanted effect. And of course, you can make it as perfect as you want to. And I'll press the check mark here now, and this is where you'll see and notice that split screen effect here. So now that we have everything set in terms of split screen effect, you'll press the check mark, and you'll notice now when I press play, all videos are playing together at the same time. Okay, and that'll be your split screen effects. It's a simple way to go about doing this here. And now you can just either go back to PIP and adjust the duration so that they can all match the same duration. So these 2 on top are those inserted as video overlays. And then once you're done making the adjustments, you'll come back to the base video and adjust the overall duration to have it match, and then save it. But before you save it, make sure they are all showing. So tap on this one, tap on that one. So make sure they're showing like this here, okay? And then you press the check mark, and then you save it. And that would be it for your video tutorial in terms of how to create that split screen, okay? Like and sub.